Okay, this is a piece of typical rough material as I purchased it. First off, I want to give you an idea of how hard the top Chinese turquoise is. Listen. Sounds like a rock, very hard rock. Anyway, this again is a typical piece, how as purchased. It's got junk all over the outside. It's been ground on this end. I think I ground it in just 260 mesh. Give you an idea of how nice it is inside. Come over here, these were the faces that led me to believe it was a nice piece of turquoise. What I'm going to have to end up doing on this is when you get over into this area, all of this white, gray, white, whatever, that there's no telling how deep that goes. I'm going to have to use my machine for quick removal of stone and just slowly start cutting all that material out of there, grinding it out, not cutting it. And what I'll do is keep grinding until I get down to what would be a good bead face. I'm assuming on this particular piece, because it's very thick in here, that white stuff, you can see it laying up in there. The bulk of that's going to be ground down quite a ways prior to me getting to good hard turquoise. Another thing in this particular stone is that vein and that vein. Again, there's no telling how deep that goes in. It looks to me like this vein goes pretty deep because it's over here. More than likely I'll grind all this off and hit the top of that vein, and then I can figure it out from there. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what is required for me to get a piece of all gem material, so then I can figure out the largest beads I can get out of it. Hope this helps you in your future cutting. Thanks for watching. Bye.